Sa mga riders natin guys. Ay, si Bornok guys oh. Anton Cortez, kakarating lang. Ay, sa tatay. Anton Cortez. Ay, tatay oh. Rayo Ipanag. Rayo Ipanag from Bukidnon. Anton Cortez from Rayo for red. Idol Viterbo. Idol Viterbo guys.
So here comes the winner. One last
Isang
time.
Yamaha ay isang ano.
Iba po talagang nagagawa ng
Tatay.
Checkered flag is up. Racer number 18, John Anthony Cortez. And racer number 827, David Viterbo, please report at the waiting area right now. Thank you.
Ito, MX1, Born sa Mangosong. First right. First like nanay man sa Anton Cortez. Rayo Ipanag, Viterbo and
Yeah, he's now with the Ducati, so there you go.
si ba isa? Viterbo. Patras sila? Patras sa likod kanina. O patras sa likod.
Okay, so these things more about these bikes. Yeah. Okay, so this is 15 minutes plus 2 laps.
Isa na guys. 15 laps plus last 2. Anthony John Cortez, Bornok Mangosong, Rayo Ipanag, Viterbo. 4 lang po na laban sa ating MX1. Ayan po. Green flag is up. Wow! Anton Cortez guys, nauna.
nakauna Viterbo. And then Viterbo is right there.
Viterbo nauna. Second is Bornok Mangosong in Rayo Ipanag. Ay, Anthony Cortez pala. Pang-apat, Rayo Ipanag. Viterbo guys, nauna. Pangalawa, Bornok Mangosong. Ayan po. Susod na po. Kapos talaga yung racetrack. Ayan po. Wow! Ganda ng laban natin ngayon.
Leading Yapon and Viterbo.
Unang sakay ni Borns dito sa ating Ducati guys. Ducati Philippines. Ayun na po, ayun na po. Ang cute ng racetrack talaga guys. Ayun na po, Viterbo, Bornok Mangosong, John Anthony Cortez. Power talaga. John Anthony Cortez guys. Bumabuntot ka lang kay Bornok Mangosong. Ayun na. Titikitan ni John Anthony Cortez. Ayun na po. Ayun na po. Yay! Ganda ng laban tatlo guys. Ayun na. John Anthony Cortez. Ayun na. Anthony Cortez guys. Anthony Cortez guys. Dalawang tumba guys. Anthony Cortez. Anthony Cortez guys. Woo! Sayang.
Dalawang bata. Dalawang resident.
Anthony Cortez and Rayo Ipanag guys. First, second. Anthony Cortez is the first. And Rayo Ipanag second. Third si Viterbo and fourth Bornok Mangosong. Anyos. Layo na, lumayo na. Si ano?
Break away by Anton Cortez.
Pagkatumba guys.
Break away na. Anton Cortez.
Cortez guys. Malayo-layo ba to? Matagal-tagal ba to guys? Breakaway Anthony Cortez guys. Ray Panag, second. Fourth, Borno Pangosong. Yun o. Wow. Grabe. Grabe. Yan ang contest guys. Apat lang po sila naglalaban ngayon dito sa Vermosa, Cavite. So 15 minutes tulad ko guys. 15 minutes. Away pa mo sa boka ni. Dali guys. Ako dik pa yun. Ako dik pa yun ngayon, no? Diretso tayo. Ako dik pa yun. Wala, diretso ko. Tayo ipala kong second. Peter Bon Bornok, dumidikit pa si Bornok. Kay Peter Bo guys. Peter Bo. Bornok mga to. Pempla si Bornok at saka si Peter Bo. Peter Bo, sumapit. Tinamaan yung harapan ni Peter Bo. Ayun, nagpulay no, breakaway na guys. Layo na talaga. Pero malayo pa to, 15 minutes plus 2 lap. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Wow.
16 years young.
But it doesn't mean that the action is stopping right here at the Vermosa Racetrack. This is a everybody who is with us today. Please hydrate, make sure
Kapos yung ano talaga? Kapos yung racetrack. 8 minutes pa lang. Ano ba? 8 minutes pa? Marami pa po lang nangyari. 8 minutes pa sulat ko to. Yan Anthony Cortez. Nanguhuna po. From Kiblawan, Mindanao. Assistant rider, shout out to Gia Mamaril. Rayo Ipanag. Second, it's Rayo Ipanag. Third is guys, second, Rayo Ipanag. Guys, si Mula Pauso at saka si Viterbo. Malapit si Viterbo. Doon po sa corner na may puno, doon po sa Mula. Shout out boss.
Strategy for everyone is to either
Break away si The Bullet Anton Cortez. Layo na ni Anton guys. Batang bata. Batang mama.
From the perspective of a Sa opinion mo, no? Gaano matagal kailangan mo prepare?
Anthony Cortez!
Katulad ng category. Bakit?
Rayo Ipana! Shoutout sa idol ko! Andito naman kami! Andito na po kami! Idol Warlock mga wasang guys! Woo! Sumigaw na! Woo! Woo!
Kasi ganun po, no?
Woo!
Ang agos pa ba, oy?
Init kayo!
So, still leading.
Layo na kayo oy! Nagkadikitan kasi kanina dun guys sa ano, na may puno na yun oh.
The way you're describing it, parang you're training for a martial art as well.
11 minutes.
From a random outside perspective, parang yung wrestling dun sa mga monosiklo na sinasakyan mo eh. Lalo na pag dito sa category mo, na hindi flat ground.
Power by Honda. Alright, yan ang Anthony Cortez. Wala, lumapit na si Born. Lumapit na naman. Ayun na, lumapit na.
Pero, more of mga song.
Lumalapit na.
Yeah, I mean, from the sound of it alone, yung part ng mga video.
Lumalapit na si Borns. Ayun na po.
Same kingdom.
Ayun na po. Lumalapit na kay Peter po. Oh, sira ang payong. Pagdaan ng dalawang rider. Sira ang payong ni kay daddy ni Peter po.
Wala rin si Kanhit, ha?
Wala na?
Nagkaroon na ni championship.
Ay, wala na palagad to?
Ha?
Wala na palagad to? Tapos na agad?
Second person ni champion na.
Sige na.
Pag-enjoy mo na, champion na.
12 minutes.
Very quick time check right now. It's on 12:55 in the afternoon. If my math is correct, 10 of the
Ayun na.
15 minutes have already.
Ayun na.
So we've got a remaining 5 minutes plus 2 laps for these racers in the category.
Diyan ulit sila. Diyan na naman sila ulit oh. Sa spot na yan oh. Ayun na.
Yes, good. Heading for these two racers. Pretty exciting times right now here from and wow!
Wow! Third na.
Pero si Dabulan, guys, grabe. Break kami, Dabulan. Grabe ni pataan ni batang pagani. Isa na lang kayo sa dako na.
Na, dako og.
Samot ang dako karon ko na ni. Pakasimple.
Power dude, power na kayo. Hindi nyo mabangbang. 13 minutes.
Ay, coach, may tanong ako. Bilang coach, di ba? Bilang coach. Sa tingin mo, ilang athletes ang nabubuhay ng isang racer sa ganitong category? In your estimation?
Grabe Dabulan to.
Double it! Wala ko, mahabol. Ayan na si Born.
In your experience ba naman, 15 minutes, medyo nakakapagod talaga, no? Ay, yung races ba natin ba naman ang pagkain? Dahil kung kailangan, di ba? Correct. Per calories na kailangan mo eh. Alright. So right now, we are going to call the attention of our racers under the Junior MX50 Shaft category. We've got racer number 007, Ken Sanagles. Racer number 01, Alexander Brando Gagoa. Racer number 111, Roy Remolacho. Racer number 924, Lara Paz. Racer number 17, Tobias.
Wala, dumikit na nga. Ando na.
Racer number 224.
Palapit na si Born, si Rayo.
Balbao and racer number 6, Mateo Paborian. Please report to the waiting area immediately.
May ulit. Ayun na oh.
For the Junior MX50. Another call.
Bornok, third na po si Bornok.
Racer number 01, Alexander Brando.
Ayun na. Wala, lagot.
Roy Remolacho. Racer 924, Lara Paz.
Dako, 15, magpi 15 minutes na guys. Ayun na.
Tobias.
15 minutes na. Malapit na tayo.
And racer number 6, Mateo Paborian, please proceed to the running area.
Hoy!
Almost stops the front again. Pero he's smelling blood right now kasi he has caught second place, right?
Last 2 laps, ano?
And Mangoso.
And he is matching up.
So makikita natin, brother, yung unfamiliarity ni Bornok sa bike pa niya. He's still adapting kasi very
Dahil talaga ni ano, Anton. Si Anton talaga guys.
convinced those mistake na he's gonna top the front. Hindi pa niya alam yung characteristic.
Tanaw na ng mga vlogger.
Oh, take to lang.
Kilala ko niya.
So there.
Abot yapon din kami din.
Story, kilalanin ang makina.
Wala, di kita
It really does take
Ala!
to invest and
Bunok
commit.
na. Oh, 15 minutes na.
These gentlemen are clearly showing us right now.
Wow!
Look at this, Mangoso na spot, right?
Team Good Boy and Team Ducati.
So, you know, so Rally Ipana has been merong factor yan
I'm enjoying hearing about the culture we guys have here, so that's a good thing.
2 laps to go.
Last two lang.
Cortez, it's his race to lose kasi kailangan nalayo na niya.
Hoy, may train, may train. May train. Kumain, Titanic.
Exciting stuff happening here at the Bulacan Racetrack.
Nato na, nakuha na.
Good afternoon, everybody. For all those who are watching us on the various live streams that are happening simultaneously.
Ayun na oh. Last 2 laps.
2026.
Bakbaka rayo yung burnok yan guys oh.
Battle for second, still on. Between Ipana and Mamosong.
Team Good Boy and Team Ducati.
Eto na, he's gonna make a move.
Hoy, nakuha.
I saw it from the air. Yung sipat ni Bornok, we don't see the corner, pero nakita ko na kung ano yung look, yung strategy, like an eagle eye. Alam na niya kung saan niya titirahin.
Right, right.
And indeed,
Burnok Mangosang, second. Uy, napalong.
Right?
Ay.
Right?
Hoy, dyan lang, Ray.
I heard, meron din nakita. But what a ride for Rayo Ipana to take this one to the lead. He was in second spot. Last lap.
Last lap.
Waiting for champion, Anton Cortez. That Anthony Cortez. This is huge for him. Imagine. Probably this is his first Premier Class win. Ito una niyang Premier Class win.
And you saw it here at the
So,
Oh, yeah.
Honda.
Champion.
So this
John
is
Anthony Cortez. MX1 champion. John Anthony Cortez. Congrats. Second, Burnok Mangosong.
From battling in front, making a pass for the lead, handled with the leader.
Habol pa rin.
So
Second.
back of the pack, last place to second. The King Philippines.
All right, again.
Congrats.
Palatao and number 6, Mateo Paborian, please report the winning area immediately.
Burnok Mangosong. Sayang. Na. Ano, kuwan? Ha? Kapalong daw. Guys, Burnok Mangosong guys. Sayang.
Yes, maganda. Walang quick shift pag nalit na race track. Ayan, di ako makajump sa triple, no? Sa traction.